Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Fahrenheit to Celsius. First, let's understand the basic principle. Converting temperatures between these two scales is a common need, especially when dealing with international weather reports or scientific data. The process is straightforward and involves a simple mathematical formula that you can easily apply. We'll walk through each step to ensure you grasp the concept clearly and can perform conversions confidently. The first crucial step in converting Fahrenheit to Celsius is to subtract 32 from your initial Fahrenheit temperature. This adjustment is vital because the freezing point of water is 32 degrees Fahrenheit, but 0 degrees Celsius. By subtracting 32, you effectively align the starting points of both temperature scales, preparing the value for the next part of the calculation. Remember, this initial subtraction is key to an accurate conversion. After subtracting 32, your next step is to multiply that result by 5/9. This fraction, 5/9, is the conversion factor that adjusts the scale of the temperature. It accounts for the different increments between Fahrenheit and Celsius degrees. You can also achieve the same outcome by dividing your adjusted number by 1.8. Both methods will give you the correct Celsius temperature, completing the conversion process. Let's try an example. If you have 68 degrees Fahrenheit, first subtract 32, which gives you 36. Then multiply 36 by 5/9, and you'll get 20 degrees Celsius. It's that simple. Mastering this conversion can be incredibly useful for travel or understanding global weather. Also, for making your daily routine smoother, check out the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.